All right, my friends, my real estate enthusiasts. I didn't want to do that a video, although I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to talk about here, so I apologize for the potentially low quality of this content, and obviously I'm not going to edit it, and I didn't get dressed up for you. Sort of my personal situation hasn't changed much. We still have one vacancy across the houses. We have 9 rooms that we currently rent and only 8 tenants at the moment. Still posting to Facebook groups, still have my useless marketplace listing up. Nothing's really changed much in that situation. The room's painted, I repainted it, put up fixed some of the face plates, scrubbed the floors. Not too much more that I can do there. As I said in the previous video, sometimes this is mostly a waiting game. Not too much else going on in life either. Also, admittedly, not putting too much effort into software development at the moment. I'm not developing my personal real estate property management app much. The one that has all the reports and the occupancy rate tracking. And, I track cash flow, cash spend, cumulative cash change over the entire life of the business, as well as broken down by each property. And then I also have another view where I include the equity change based on an average of the Zillow and Redfin values minus whatever I owe on the loans, etc. And yeah, the cash, to be completely transparent, I'm down, let's say 6 figures. Maybe I'll go into more detail another time. I'm down 6 figures, right? The cash flow in the business is finally positive as of about a year ago. And the cash plus equity is about break even. That might sound like a terrible investment, but this is sort of expected. If you think about how modern big companies work, right? There's sort of an initial investment that's required in anything, right? There's the initial pain. And unless you're flipping houses, which I personally don't recommend unless it's your exact skill set, but I don't even really consider that real estate, so to speak. You're in real estate, but you're not real estate investing. You're real estate grinding in a way if you're flipping houses. The investing, I like to think of it as shapes, and the potential for a well leveraged investment into rental real estate for me is about the long-term steepness of the curve, not the initial drawdown. Right. And as I said, we are now cash flow positive and have not been. So obviously the derivative of the cash is now good, and the second derivative is also positive. It's upturning, right? Over the course of this business, this investment, this set of investments, the cash flow continues to increase, and also the equity continues to increase. So now we're sort of in the nice inflection point, the turning point where things are going to look better and better from here on out. There is enough cash flow from just my 2 properties and the 9 rooms to cover my personal expenses as well. So financially, things are working out. That's sort of the current status, the current cash flow, and a little rough outlook. And I guess we could end there for now. Of course, if you have specific questions, certainly let me know and I can get into things for you. And I'll talk to you again soon. See you guys.